Hello student, today we will discuss about disaster management. Last lecture हमने देखा what is the corporate governance, उसके importance and factors. Okay, today हम disaster management देखेंगे. Formulation of organizational structure and strategies to prevent and minimize disasters is called disaster management. A disaster is a situation in which the community is incapable of coping. It is a natural or human caused event which causes intense negative impact on people, goods services and the environment, exceeding the affected community's capability to respond. Therefore the community seeks the assistance of the government and the international agencies. Disasters are often classified according to their causes and speed of one set. Causes mean natural versus human, and speed on one set means sudden versus slow. Okay. Business disaster management means they are a set of action taken by an organization in responses to the unexpected events that are affecting people or resources the continuous operations of the organization. Disaster management is the discipline of dealing with the avoiding risks. It involves preparing for disaster before it happens, disaster responses, as well as supporting and rebuilding a society after natural or human made disasters have occurred. Okay, some of example of for example earthquake at लातूर खिलारी. ओके, बहुत बड़ा वो अर्थक्वेक था. आई थिंक 1991 टू के आसपास वो था. मैं उस वक्त आई थिंक फोर्थ स्टैंडर्ड में कुछ तो थी, तब वो अर्थक्वेक हुआ था लातूर खिलारी का. तो बहुत ही ख़राब हालत हो गई थी सब लोगों की. उसके बाद स्टॉम सॉरी फ्लड्स इन ओडिशा. उसके बाद दिसंबर 2004 में सुनामी वेव्स का हुआ था साउथर्न कोस्टल एरिया में. उसके बाद मुंबई में फ्लड जो आया था 2005 में रेनफॉल की हेवी रेनफॉल की वजह से. देन इन द वर्ल्ड अर्थक्वेक हैव टेकन प्लेस इन इंडोनेशिया और चाइना. ओके, ये नेचुरली होता है, मतलब ये कोई ह्यूमन बीइंग क्रिएट नहीं करता है कि अर्थक्वेक करते हैं हम, या फिर सुनामी जैसे वेव्स आएंगे, या फिर हेवी रेनफॉल से फ्लड आ जाएगा. तो ये सब नेचुरली होता है. ओके, उसके बाद जो मैन मेड डिज़ास्टर होते हैं, मतलब जो इंडिया का मैं एग्जांपल देती हूँ. मैन मेड डिज़ास्टर इन इंडिया एज वेल एज इन अदर कंट्रीज. तो हमारे यहाँ भोपाल का आपने सुना होगा, गैस लीकेज की जो प्रॉब्लम थी, यूनियन कार भोपाल में होता वो. देन प्लेन हाईजैक हुआ था वर्ल्ड ट्रेड सेंटर यूएस में. आई थिंक वो 2001 में कुछ तो हुआ था ना, अटैकिंग द पेंटागन बिल्डिंग इन यूएसए. उसके बाद अभी हमारे यहाँ देखो कोरोना टाइम पे नासिक में वो ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर जो है उसके लीकेज हुआ था, मतलब ऑक्सीजन वो फील कर रहे थे उस टाइम, वो लीकेज हुआ। वैसे ही केस मुंबई में भी हो गई। तो ये मैन मेड डिजास्टर, मतलब मैन मेड होता है। उसके बाद इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट, क्यों मैनेजमेंट करना ज़रूरी है हमें। तो पहले रिड्यूस डैमेजेस एंड डेथ्स। अगर हमने डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट किया तो हमें क्या होता है, जो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम आता है तो उसमें क्या होता है कि बहुत कम डैमेज होते हैं। और मतलब डैमेज जितने हाई लेवल पे हो, सडनली अगर हमने कुछ मैनेजमेंट नहीं किया है तो जो सडनली जितना नुकसान होता है ना, उससे कम अगर हमारे पास कुछ मैनेजमेंट है तो हम कर सकते हैं। Reduce damages and deaths means effective disaster management reduce or avoids mortality and economic and physical damages from hazard. The methods used to achieve this include and analyze, then preparations and mitigation and preventions measures, and the use of and warning systems. Example of effective disaster management techniques include complete risk assessment, building community storm shelters, and installing community outdoor. Okay, then reduce personal suffering, ये भी एक पॉइंट है। रिड्यूस सफरिंग, पर्सनल सफरिंग मीन्स disaster management reduce personal suffering such as mortality rate, then emotional stress following. The method used to prevent suffering includes hazard and mitigation and prevention measures. For example of efforts to reduce personal suffering include providing safe food supplies and potable drinking water when water supplies become contaminated. Then speed recovery. The third objective is to speed recovery. The method to accomplish this objective include effective response mechanism and the institutions of recovery programs and assistant. Example of efforts to speed recovery include providing prepare work assistance for insurance claims and grant or loan applications, and protect sorry, importance of disaster management to business क्या है। तो first, disaster affect one and all if they occur of on large scale. It is necessary that business to plan for disasters. Disaster management for business is needed because it helps to ensure the safety of all employees and visitors at the site or a site. Okay, then protect and information and records, secure business site and safeguards and make available material supplies and equipment to ensure the safety and recovery of records from predictable disasters. Then ensure the organization ability to continue operating after a disaster and recover lost or damaged records or information after a disaster. Okay, देन डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट फेस करके जो पॉइंट है, A progressive strategy for managing disaster ensure that loss of life and property is reduced in disaster event. Prevention and identifies a potential risk and the action that can be taken before a disaster event in order to reduce its impact. A disaster stricken community needs assistance to a proper level of functioning and prevention is then responses and recovery is the process by which an affected community is assisted in a proper level of functioning. ओके, इसके बाद जो पॉइंट आता है वो है मैनेजमेंट ऑफ चेंज. मैनेजमेंट ऑफ चेंज मतलब थोड़ी थोड़ी देर के बाद मैनेजमेंट जो है उसने अपने रूल्स रेगुलेशन में चेंज करना चाहिए. जो भी हम मेथड यूज़ करते हैं उसमें चेंज होना चाहिए. जैसे मार्केट में डिमांड होते हैं उस तरह से हमें चेंज करना चाहिए. चेंज मैनेजमेंट इज़ अ सिस्टमैटिक अप्रोच ऑफ डीलिंग विथ चेंज बोथ फ्रॉम द perspective of an organization and on the individual level. A somewhat term change management has at least three different aspects. First, when adapting to change, controlling change, effecting change. Okay, the proactive approach to dealing with change is at the core of all three aspects for an organization. Change management means defining and implementing procedure and technologies to deal with change in the business environment and to profit from the changing opportunities. Successful adaptation to change is an within an organization as it is in the natural world. Just like plants and animals, organization and the individuals in them encounter changing conditions that they are powerless to control. Then factors responsible for change means customer, competitors, मैनेजमेंट, टेक्नोलॉजी प्रोग्रेस एंड गवर्नमेंट, ये पॉइंट आते हैं उसमें. तो successful adaptation to change is an organization as its natural word means the adaptation might involve establishing a structured methodology for responding to change in the business environment, such as fluctuations in the economy or the threat from a competitor, or establishing mechanism for responding to change in the workplace such as new policies or technologies. But change and sorry it easiest to ride a horse in the direction it is going. In other words, don't struggle against change, learn to use it to your advantages. Okay, the organizational change means is a complex phenomenon and several people contribute to it. Organizational change goes through several phase, several internal and external roles contributing to the difficult phase of change. Then organizational change means significant change in any one or more of the tasks, the techniques, the structure, and the people of the organization. Organizational change is one which ultimately affects the pattern of work and relationship within an organization. Okay. इसके बाद है फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबली फॉर चेंज और फोर्स फॉर चेंज, तो वो पॉइंट हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर कवर करेंगे. अभी आपको समझ में आया व्हाट इज़ द डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल चेंज, चेंज क्यों चाहिए मैनेजमेंट में. ओके, तो नेक्स्ट लेक्चर हम क्या करेंगे, फैक्टर्स रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर चेंज देखेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.